Hello, today I am going to talk about the Lucky Regular Nail Polish Remover for Women. This is 8 ounces of nail polish remover. And basically, as it says in the title, it basically removes nail polish. So if you're looking for a very simple nail polish remover that does the job but at the same time doesn't destroy your nails and cuticles, check this out. The number one ingredient is acetone, of course. They make a lot of acetone-free nail polish, but I don't find that to be as effective, let's face it. However, that might be a little safer if you have kids. You do not want to let your kids near this. Don't let them drink it. Don't let them touch it. Just don't let them. It's a chemical. It is very effective, fast working. I don't have to keep scrubbing at my nails to get the nail polish off. It just does the job. And I would say don't leave the lid off too long because it does evaporate. It's, an alcohol base, so I don't know how many times I've left the lid off of nail polish removers and I get back and they're all gone. So just keep that in mind. Word of advice. And it is just standard liquid nail polish. It's clear colored, nothing super snazzy. It smells like nail polish remover, but they have added a scent to make it not so pungent, so it's more pleasant. I have owned this for 5 months, but as you can see, it's not gone. I don't use it on a regular basis though, and I don't travel with this product. I don't find that I need to have it on me at all times, and I don't feel like airport security would appreciate it in my carry-on, and I just don't feel like I need nail polish remover, but to each their own. And I basically, to use it, I just put it a little bit on a cotton ball and then just wipe it on my nails and wipe my nail polish off, and that's how it works. It's pretty straightforward, and a little goes a long way, so you don't have to use a lot of nail polish just to get off a little bit of nail polish. I mean, a lot of nail polish remover to get off a little bit of nail polish. And what's also nice is it's not one of those nail polish removers that takes off that kind of dries out your nails and is harsh to your nails. There are so many products like that out there still, and this one is not that way. It has a lot of vitamin E and moisturizers, and when I've used it, my nails don't feel dried out or weird. My cuticles are still pretty hydrated and soft, so it's supposed to nourish and strengthen my nails at the same time, and I guess I do feel like they're just in better shape, and that's really nice. It is very flammable. Do not light anything near it or bring it near any type of fire or flames. Don't let kids get near this because it will not be a good idea if they eat it or just touch it in general. It's a pretty harsh product. It is a chemical. Keep it away from your pets. And this product is not tested on animals, which is nice. It is too bulky to carry on me. It's made in Turkey, and I keep it in my bathroom with all my other nail supplies. It's in this plastic bottle. It's not completely clear, more like opaque, and then it has a purple twist off top. Try not to get it in your eyes because that is dangerous. So Delta Brands is the manufacturer, and they're based in New York. So I would look into them, but definitely check out this nail polish remover if you're just looking for a really nice, simple nail polish remover that gets the job done. Check this out. Thank you so much for watching this video.